Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
This overview explains how a continuous glucose monitoring system functions for everyday users. A continuous glucose monitor measures interstitial glucose every 5 minutes for trends. Data processing converts raw sensor current into mg per dl values. Aim for clinical accuracy within plus or minus 15% across the 40 to 400 mg per dl range. Wireless transmission sends readings to an app using Bluetooth Low Energy, designed for a 7V battery and 7-day sensor lifespan for practical use. Focus on reliable components to ensure stable measurements and user safety. Use an enzyme electrochemical sensor that consumes 0.3 microliters of interstitial fluid. The sensor yields picoamp to nanoamp currents proportional to glucose concentration. Include an analog front end with low noise and 16-bit ADC for reliable readings. Implement firmware with filtering and temperature compensation to reduce drift. Calibrate using a 2-point slope with factory, and user checks every 12 hours. Ensure biocompatible adhesives and sterile packaging for the sensor assembly. Build software that presents actionable trends and clear alerts for low and high glucose. Provide alarms at thresholds like 70 mg per dl and 250 mg per dl for user safety. Implement secure BLE pairing and AES 128 encryption for data privacy and regulatory readiness. Display 15-minute trend arrows and rolling 3-hour averages in the app interface. Follow medical device standards and document risk management, software lifecycle, and cybersecurity controls. Validate performance with clinical testing on at least 50 participants over 14 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.